Welcome back. Today we're going to do page 12, workout 6. Now let's start with question number 1. It says write the sentence using numbers and signs. So it says 12 subtract 2 equals 10. So first we write 12 as numbers, which is 1 and then 2, which makes 12, and then subtract is a sign which is like this, and then 2 is like this, and an equal sign is this, and 10 is the answer. So now let's do question number 2. It says complete these multiplications. So the first multiplication is 6 times 2. You might not know what 6 times 2 is, but the same is 2 times 6. It's the same as 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 is the same as 2 times 6. So there's a picture here to help us. So there are 6 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in each group there are 2 dots. So which means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 12. So 6 times 2 is 12. And then it's the same. 2 times 6 is the same, so that is also 12. The second multiplication is 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is the same as 5 times 4. So there's another picture to help us. There are 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in each group there are 5 dots. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. So 4 times 5 is 20, which means 5 times 4 is also 20. Okay, now let's do question number 3. It says, look at the picture. So there's a picture here with monkeys and trees. And it says, circle the monkey behind a tree. So this monkey is on the left. So that's not behind. This monkey is on the right of a tree. So that's not behind either. This monkey is on top because it's on the tree. And this little monkey is behind the tree. And it said, circle the monkey behind the tree. Okay, so now let's do question number 4. It says, fill in the missing total. So first, we're going to do 8 plus 3. So 8 in your mind and count on 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 3 equals to 11. So then there's another 6 here that we need to plus. So we do 11 plus 6 equals. So 11 in your mind and count on 6. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer is 17. Sorry, by mistake, the answer is 17. So we also write it here, 17. Now we're going to do page number 13. We're going to start with question number 5. It says, fill in the missing number. There are something days in a week. So let's count the days in the week. is Monday, which is the first one, Tuesday, which is the second one, Wednesday, which is the third one, Thursday, which is the fourth one, Friday, which is the fifth one, Saturday, which is the sixth one, and Sunday, which is the seventh one, and it's the last one, which means there's 7 days in a week. So we're going to write 7 here. Now let's do question number 6. It says work out. So first equation is 31 plus 8. So the bigger number goes on the top, which is 31. So we write 31, and the smaller number goes down, which is 8. So we write 8 down here and put a line. Then because we are plussing, it's very important to do a plus sign there. So that's the 1 and that's the tenth. So then the 1 plus 8 is 9, and then because there's nothing here, there's a 0 here, and then 3 plus 0, when you add 0 to a number, it stays the same, so it's 39. So 31 plus 8 is 39. So the second one is 52 plus 20. We can do a different way to do this one because there's another method we can try using in this. So we write 52 plus 20. So in here there are 50 tens and 2 ones. In here there are 20 tens and 0 ones. So we do 50 plus 20 because we add the tens to the tens, which is 50 in your mind, 50, 60, and then 70. So 50 plus 20 is 70. And then we add the ones, which is 2 plus 0. So when we add 0 to a number, it stays the same. So it's still 2. So then we add the tens and the ones together. So 70 plus 2 equals 72. So our answer is 72. So we're going to write 72 here. The second one is 48 subtract 6. So we write the bigger number up, which is 48, and then the smaller number down, which is 6, then put a line, and then because we're subtracting, we need to make a subtract line there. So this is the ones column and this is the tens column. So let's add the ones first. So it's 8, take away 6, 8 in your mind and count backwards 6. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So there's 2 left. So you write 2 and then there's nothing here, which means there's 0, and then 4 take away 0, it stays the same, so it's still 4. So 48 take away 6 is 42. I'm going to write 42 here. Okay, now let's do 97 take away 30. So we're going to do the other method, or we can do the same method. 97 is the bigger number, so it goes up, and then the smaller number is 30. And tens and ones. So we're takeaway, so we put the takeaway one there, and then 7 take away 0 is still 7, and 9 take away 3 is 6. So the answer is 67. We're going to write 67 here. Now let's do question number 7. Question number 7 says, circle the tower that is half as tall as the tower in the box. So the tower in the box is this tower. And to find the answer, we need to count how much blocks there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 blocks. And the half of 6 is 3. And when we're doing the half, it also means something divided by 2. So in this case, we need to do 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. Now we need to find the tower in between these 3, which have 3 blocks. So this tower has 1, 2 blocks, so that can't be the answer. This tower has 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, so that can't be the answer. And this tower has 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it has 3 blocks. So that means that's the answer, because that's the half of 6. Now let's do question number 8. It says, look at this pattern. This pattern is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we need to circle. We need to see this, what the next circle number is. Which number would be next that is circled. So these are in all blocks, and this is the circle one. And these are all in blocks, and this is the circle one. So the pattern you can see is going in a 2's times tables, and the circled one are going in the 10's times tables. So let's continue the pattern. So it's 22 in a box, and then 24 in a box, and then 26 also in a box, and we need to put 28 in a box too. But the next is 30. It doesn't go in a box, it goes in a circle, because the next in the 10's times table after 20 comes 30. So 30 is the next circle number, so we need to write 30 here.